Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment. And here now we're going to talk about Dr. Jennifer's Ashton Wiki and the full biography. The full name is Dr. Jennifer's Ashton. Nickname is Ashton and was born April 26, 1969 when was born in California, USA. The nationality is American and the religion is Christianity. The former physician's author and television correspondent. And the year is 51 years old. Let's look about education details. College is Columbia College and Columbian University. School, Horace's Manning School, and the qualification was master's degree in nutrition. Let's go to the physical status. Height is 5 feet 5 inches tall, and the weight is 62 kg. Eyes color darker brown. Hair's color is blonde, and the marital status is widow. Let's go also to the favorite hobby. The hobby is traveling. Favorite actress Tom Cruise. Favorite actress Jennifer Lawrence. Favorite destination is Miami, and the favorite food is Italian. Let's finish about the net worth. The net worth is around $9 million of USD. The Instagram, Twitters, as well as Facebook are all activated. Thank you for listening. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.